How to share Instagram Reel to Facebook. Start by opening the Instagram application on your phone. You are now on the Instagram homepage. Here, you can view posts from friends and pages that you follow. Now, go to the bottom panel and tap on the Reels icon. This is the Instagram Reels page where you can explore and view Reels. If you want to share a Reel from here, then tap on the share icon on the right. Here, you will find all the sharing options available. Swipe left and select Facebook from the options below. You will then be taken to this page on Facebook. After that, tap on Post at the top. You have now successfully posted this Instagram Reel to Facebook. Following these steps, you can easily share Instagram Reel to Facebook. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.